Accelerating innovation. Pushing industry competitiveness. Elevating higher value-added activities and technologies. The driving force behind the Electronic Products Inclusive Innovation Center, or EPIIC. The EPIIC is an initiative intended to create opportunities and inclusivity through job creation and enterprise development. The Electronics Product Development Center, or EPDC, is a core component in this endeavor. The facility was meant to upgrade the electronics value chain in the Philippines and envisioned to push the country from being just an assembler to becoming a designer, manufacturer, and marketer of our own electronic products. Product design and prototyping is usually outsourced to other countries due to the lack of local facilities. With the establishment of the EPDC, products can now be locally designed. It would then be faster to produce and create prototypes of electronic products, such as PCBs, resulting to a faster turnaround in production. The facility also fosters building local capability in design and prototyping through trainings and mentorship activities. Pushing the objectives of EPIIC forward requires the cooperation of various sectors in society. The Electronic Industries Association of the Philippines represents the sector and advocates its needs, ensuring industry-led inputs are well considered in government-led efforts. The government sector is spearheaded by the Department of Science and Technology. With the setup of the EPDC facility, the DOST has laid the groundwork for strengthened science and technology investment to more industry-facing activities. The Department of Trade and Industry identified Information and Communications Technology as one of its industry clusters. The DTI's role is crucial in creating a conducive and enabling environment for growth and in developing competitive and innovative small and medium-sized enterprises that have access to market and finance. A vast portion of the electronics industry sector will greatly benefit from the EPIIC program. These include electronics companies and other members of the supply chain, academic and other training institutions, engineering associations, government institutions, venture capitalists, small and medium enterprises, original equipment manufacturers, resellers, and independent designers. The EPIIC program will become a game changer that catalyzes productivity and global competitiveness of the local electronics industry. The EPIIC program will further boost the country's efforts toward upgrading our electronics industry to become world-class companies, producing world-class products. The DOST and DTI are committed to ensuring that the goals of EPIIC will succeed, to enhance the growth of the Philippine electronics industry and attract more talents and experts towards the country's economic and social development and its collective prosperity.